Hey, this is Zen, the Crypto Queen. I have a Facebook page of the same name. On Twitter, I am XRP Crypto Queen, and let's get into it. This is XRP versus SEC, or should I say Ripple versus SEC case. And John Deaton, I don't know, God bless him. You know what? The man has been fighting for this for a long time, that XRP is not a security. Now, we need regulation, apparently, within the decentralized crypto world. However, my question is always, why this frivolous lawsuit? Why did they start it then? I do consider it a frivolous lawsuit. And why does the SEC and the United States take precedence over the rest of the world when it's a decentralized situation? Or is it? So anyway, here we go. After blasting the arguments coming from the United States Security and Exchange Commission, the SEC, popular commentator and defense attorney John Deaton believes that the case is going to end favorably for the blockchain company and cryptocurrency industry as a whole. And I agree, because it should have never started to begin with. It's been widely publicized. It's a gross overreach is a great way to that equals to me frivolous lawsuit, because it's a gross overreach of the SEC. And I have no doubt Ripple will win, and the Supreme Court will shut down the SEC's gross overreach. That includes you, Gary Gensler, and hopefully you'll resign. And Hinman and his emails. You know what? I think right from the beginning, everyone knows. I think that this is a frivolous lawsuit or gross overreach by the SEC. Pretty much all I can say on the topic. But if you want to take a look at the price analysis, here we go. The cryptocurrency at the center of this lawsuit is currently at 39 cents. 5% across the previous week. And I will get into, just for a second, just for the hell of it, because this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I do, what I look up. Please do your own research before you buy anything. But at some point, this case is going to wrap, and this is going to shift quickly. Is it going to go to $1 and hang there, as I think it's Moon Lambo threw out there? Possibly, but I have a feeling it will go straight for a higher number, hover there for a while there's some buying and selling going on. But there needs to be a stable price almost across the board, and it's questionable. Is it $589, as many people predicted, or is it $10,000? Or is it more? We don't know yet, because this needs to wrap between second and third quarter of 2023. We're only in first quarter, and I'm going to wrap it right there. Hopefully I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks for being with me, and ciao for now.